State versus Michael Tolliver, 16-72, possession of controlled substances, furnishing prohibited articles, paraphernalia, driving unsuspended, no liability insurance. Other charges, 15-281, like a drug case, and a DWI. Sir, I'm looking at our police statements in both of your cases. Have you gone over these documents?
Yes, sir.
Do you feel you understand what's set out in your police statements?
Yes, sir.
You understand the charges against you and the range of penalty if you're convicted?
Yes.
In case number 15-185, are you pleading guilty to possession of drug paraphernalia, 2 counts, driving left of center, and driving while intoxicated?
Yes.
In 16-72, are you pleading guilty to possession of methamphetamine,
Yeah.
possession of drug paraphernalia,
Yes.
driving on a suspended license,
Yes.
no insurance, no motorcycle license,
Yes.
possession of a controlled substance, alprazolam,
Yes.
and possession of marijuana?
Yes.
By entering your pleas, you're giving up your right to have a jury trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Also, when you plead guilty, you cannot appeal. Do you know
Right.
that? Are you entering these pleas freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Other than what's in these documents, have you been promised anything?
No.
Okay. Have you been pressured or threatened to get you to
No.
do this? Okay. And you're pleading guilty because you're in fact guilty, sir? Is that
Yes.
That's right. Okay. On or about March 16th, and I'm looking at 1672, on or about March 16th here in Baxter County, Arkansas, were you in possession of some methamphetamine and drug paraphernalia?
Yes.
Were you driving on a suspended license?
Yes.
Do you have any insurance?
No.
And no motorcycle license?
No.
Had some alprazolam with you, which you didn't have a prescription for,
Yes.
and a little bit of marijuana.
Right.
Okay. And 15-185. Looks like on about June 15th of last year here in Baxter County, were you driving while intoxicated?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see, drove left to center and had drug paraphernalia with you. You
Yes.
remember that?
Yes.
Okay. This time, sir, I accept your pleas and adjudge you guilty in 15-185 on each count of possession of drug paraphernalia. Be sentenced to 5 years in Department of Correction. Driving left of center 1 day in the county jail, and a fine of $100. On a DWI, 7 days in the county jail. You'll complete a addiction program with the DWI officer. I guess that's when he gets out.
He can do that at DOC, Your Honor.
Okay. You know, I can't order him to do it at the DOC.
Right.
AOC.
What would happen is normally Ms. Fagan would recommend, or she would have the court order that he would do it at DOC.
Very well.
They should probably. No, I don't want that on there. What for? I'll do that outside or whatever.
I'm sorry.
I can do that outside.
I'll
Just
explain
to
it to you.
get another license or something.
Right.
Yeah, I can't order him to do it at the DOC.
Right.
That's
I'll
what
explain
you're
to
wanting,
him.
I think, sir.
I'll explain to him what you
Okay.
mean, Your Honor.
That he's right. You'll pay $200 in cost, public defender fee of $200, a DNA fee of $250, drug crime assessment $250, $500 DUI fine, other fines of Does the $1,100 include the DWI fine? Okay. And $20 booking fee, $300 in court costs, DWI costs.
Your Honor,
Yes.
can I ask you something, please?
Yeah.
I had, two iNotebooks
Who
and,
what?
brand new iNotebooks in my truck.
Computers, Your Honor.
Computers, and CID has them. And I went to get them, my other attorney told me I could go there and pick them up. And when I went over there, they were just trying to question me some miscellaneous. They wanted to give me my notebooks back, and I'd like to have them back.
Judge, they were, as far as the allegations, as far as we're concerned, they didn't have anything to do with this. So we'll get an order from the court, hopefully releasing those items to his sister, who is taking care of his property.
They don't need an order, they just need to contact me and figure out what officer got them, and I'll tell them
Okay.
to give them back.
Thank you very much.
If there's a problem, let me know.
Will do. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
And 16-72 for possession of methamphetamine, sentenced to 5 years in Department of Corrections. Drug paraphernalia, 5 years in Department of Corrections. Driving on a suspended license, 10 days in the county jail. No insurance, 1 day in the county jail. No motorcycle license, 1 day in the county jail. Possession of alprazolam, 1 day in the county jail. Possession of marijuana, 1 day in the county jail. Everything will run concurrent on the sentencing time to do, rather. You'll pay $200 in costs, a $1,000 fine, a DNA fee of $250, $20 booking fee, $200 in public defender costs, drug crime assessment of $250. Pay what you owe at the minimum rate of $100 per month, beginning within 60 days after your release, and you make your payments to the Sheriff's Department here in Baxter County.
Thank you, Your Honor.